Up next is an excellent starter sport bike, a 2013 Yamaha. This is a Honda. I don't know where Yamaha came from. This is a Honda CBR500RD. RD Romeo Delta. Check the miles on it. 4 years old with 8331 miles on it. Well under 10,000 miles. In great shape, as you've already noticed. 500cc motor. If you want to get into sport bikes, this is a way to do it without spending a whole lot of money. Previous owner put some Two Brothers Racing pipe on it. A little better performance than factory. I think I put that palm print on the tank. I apologize for that. Bike's in great shape and ready for a test ride 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.